Again. So we were discussing about aligning joints. So if a shoulder part is here and elbow is here and wrist is here, make sure the joint. These are joints actually. This joint is placed exactly inside this particular part. See now this has come outside. In this case, like there will be like kind of a uh, broken broken areas when we do the rigging, and if the joint placement of the joint is not proper means then that's a challenging part again. So while creating joints, snapping of the joint making it easy to achieve a straight line. All the axis of the rotation of each joint should be properly aligned. Aligning joints, x-axis should be parallel to the length of the bones and point towards the child. Y-axis should be point up and z-axis should be point towards the front. When you select the joints, automatically the axis you will get to know. For x-axis, it will be parallel to the length of the bone and pointing towards the child. It is like that. Y-axis should be pointing towards up and z-axis should be to the front. So in the native orientation, the values of the rotation of each axis are set to 0. This is called freeze rotation. So we will be doing, when we are working with this. Improper alignment of the axis leads to their overlap causing gimbal lock. There's something called gimbal in rotation, like uh, in a local mode or gimbal mode is there. Let's see. So summary, rigging is the process of preparing a character or object for animation. In a rig, the bones and joints should follow the skeleton hierarchy. Kinematics is a study of how things move when forces act on them. Two types of IK. It's forward IK, forward kinematics FK, and inverse kinematics IK. The most common bind poses used for humanoid characters are T poses and Y pose. So these points can come in exam. Okay. So just refer this
Yes.
theory part. Okay. Go through the theory part. So in the next session, we'll do the practicals. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
it's quite simple. You can go to rigging. You get skeleton. There are joints. It's like this. Simple. I'll just show you how to do. Assume I just create joints like this. Okay. When I rotate one, select this. So this is a parent joint. Means you can call this as a root joint. This guy is a parent for all this joint. This guy's child is this one. Okay. And he also becomes parent for this one. Similarly, it goes. So now if I select this and if I go to select hierarchy and if I rotate, I can
Mm.
rotate like this. There's a clear bend. Whereas if I select this and rotate, it's a this kind of rotation you get. That's it. So it won't bend. So when I select this and go to hierarchy, select hierarchy, and if I rotate, see tail animation. Assume you have done a boar model, so you can do a tail animation or something like that. Okay, like
Yes.
so. This is for a dog. It will be like this for the dog, like this. Okay. So anyhow, in detail practical, like we'll be doing it in the next session. Just focus on like this particular theory part. This is the session number 10. So just complete the session number 10. Okay. So if any point if you don't understand, you can let me know that. I'll let you know. I'll teach again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Plus we will do a rig setup for the leg in the next session. We'll do a leg rigging. Okay. We'll create a leg model instantly, and for that model we will do rigging, and we'll see how does it look. Okay. So for rigging,
Yes.
the menu
Yes,
here
sir.
in the status bar, you need to pick rigging, and there are certain joints. You have joints, you have IK handles. Then next process is skinning. Things are there. There are things, and you have a uh, character setup. You can create a skeleton. Create skeleton. So once you create skeleton, automatically you get this. Okay. So this is the root. This is the root part. Okay, we can do a lot. Many things we can do. Okay. So this comes along with the fingers and all. You can bend these fingers. Okay, let's say I select this and I select hierarchy. With the hand part. See how does this hand part looks. So we'll see this. Okay. So not to get worried. Okay. Let's see this. So just refer this video. Refer both the videos, and if any doubts are there, you just let me know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
You too.
Bye.